Hosta Invincible, frequently asked questions. For those seeking a shade-loving powerhouse in the garden, look no further than Hosta Invincible. This robust perennial boasts stunning foliage and fragrant blooms, making it a favorite among home gardeners. Here, Ferb answers some of the most common questions about Hosta Invincible. See more 31 species in genus Hosta at monsteraholic.com. What are the key characteristics of Hosta Invincible? Hosta Invincible lives up to its name. It features glossy, dark green foliage. The leaves are a standout feature. Thick and substantial, they boast an incredibly glossy sheen on both sides. The margins are slightly ruffled, adding visual interest. Impressive size. At maturity, Hosta Invincible forms a majestic mound reaching 18 to 24 inches tall and spreading up to 40 to 50 inches wide. Light lavender flowers. Fragrant light lavender flowers bloom atop tall scapes, 34 inches, in late summer, adding a delightful touch to the shade garden. Rapid growth. This is a fast grower, quickly filling in bare spots and creating a dramatic impact. How much sun can Hosta Invincible tolerate? While technically considered a shade-loving plant, Hosta Invincible exhibits surprising sun tolerance. It can handle some morning sun, but too much direct afternoon sun will scorch and lighten the leaves. Ideally, aim for dappled shade or areas with morning sun and afternoon shade. Where should I plant Hosta Invincible in my garden? Hosta Invincible thrives in shaded areas of the garden. Here are some ideal locations. Underneath trees. Plant it beneath light-filtering trees that provide dappled shade. Shaded borders. It creates a stunning backdrop for shade-loving perennials and adds texture to borders. Containers. Showcase its beautiful foliage on patios and decks in locations with afternoon shade. What are some good companion plants for Hosta Invincible? Hosta Invincible complements a variety of shade-loving plants. Here are a few suggestions. Ferns. Delicate ferns like maidenhair fern, Adiantum spp, or Japanese painted fern, Ethereum niponicum, create a beautiful textural contrast. Heuchera. Coral bells, Heuchera spp, offer vibrant foliage in shades of red, purple, and orange, adding a pop of color. Astilbes. Feathery plumes of astilbes, Astilbe spp, in shades of pink, white, and lavender create a romantic atmosphere. Haconecloa macra. This ornamental grass provides a textural contrast with its cascading green foliage. How do I care for Hosta Invincible? Caring for Hosta Invincible is relatively simple. Watering. Water regularly during the first growing season, especially during hot and dry spells. Once established, it's fairly drought-tolerant. Soil. Prefers moist, well-draining soil rich in organic matter. Amending the soil with compost before planting is beneficial. Fertilizing. A light application of balanced fertilizer in early spring can promote healthy growth. Dividing. Every 3 to 5 years, you can divide established clumps in spring or fall to propagate new plants. How does Hosta Invincible compare to Hosta franci? Both Hosta Invincible and Hosta franci are popular shade-loving perennials with attractive foliage. Here's a quick comparison. Size. Hosta franci is slightly smaller, reaching 12 to 18 inches tall and 24 to 36 inches wide. Foliage. Hosta franci features blue-green, heart-shaped leaves with a prominent white border. Sun tolerance. Similar to Hosta Invincible, it prefers shade but can tolerate some morning sun. Flowers. Hosta franci bears white flowers in midsummer. Is Hosta Invincible deer-resistant? Unfortunately, Hosta Invincible is not deer-resistant. Deer find the succulent foliage quite palatable. Planting deer repellent or using physical barriers like fencing may be necessary if deer are a problem in your area. In conclusion, Hosta Invincible is a versatile and low-maintenance, shade-loving perennial that offers year-round beauty. With its stunning foliage, fragrant flowers, and rapid growth, it's a valuable addition to any shade garden. So, if you're looking for a reliable performer that adds a touch of elegance to your shaded areas, look no further than Hosta Invincible.